And on his farm he had a dog. E-I-E-I-O.